squad, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shade, and today we are in Trelawney. We are at Bengal Beach and we will be making snowman out of sand. So as you know, we're in the Caribbean, we're in Jamaica. It's a tropical island. We don't experience snow, but that doesn't mean that we can't experience the Christmas vibe of making a snowman. So it's currently 8 of us. We're going to have a competition. We're going to divide ourselves in groups of 4. Each group will have a child, whether a Johnny or Cassidy. We haven't decided that as yet. They will be the wild card. So what we'll be doing is each group actually has 10 minutes to build the best snowman they can, and you guys will be the judges. Alright, I hope this video would make you feel the holiday spirit. We're just trying to spell some holiday cheer every now and then, and I hope you're enjoying our 12 days of Christmas. Alright, let's go. Alright, Love Squad, we're finally ready to choose the teams. So we're going to let the men take charge of that. We have Roger over here, and we should be having Richie over here any second. Just picture Richie there right yourself, and they are going to choose a team. They have 4 ladies to choose from and 2 children. So let us see who get picked. Who get picked last.
Alright. Richie, I'll go first. Richie first.
Woo! Cassidy said Roger go pick Pepe.
I pick Cassidy.
Alright, so that means you automatically get
Johnny.
Johnny. Go on again, Richie.
Alright. I pick. Come through Anika.
Alright, Richie pick Anika.
I pick Margie.
No, so me and Pepe get picked last. What a piece of embarrassment. Pepe, we are what left? Alright, who
I pick Pepe.
Manu.
I don't see nobody else to pick. He pick a Johnny a second time.
Alright guys, we're gonna do this over. Me and Anika will pick the team.
Come now, we don't pick her. We don't pick her.
What kind of team this?
Of course. We
Who
pick
are
her.
me and you?
Me, you, Margie, and a Johnny.
Alright.
You're that's a good team. You got the ball.
Where is nobody saying anything?
Margie accent. Yeah, balance.
Woo!
Margie
Alright
accent.
guys, so we have 10 minutes to do this. So let's go.
Alright.
Just start now?
You know, say.
Alright, Tiff.
Lambs up, yes, please.
Alright, mark, set, go, start. I'm not chilling.
You can check out any of those apps. Once you open the app, you create a new photo and you just start typing the words.
take the glasses. Glasses can't hold for me. I don't think so. But no.
Alright, give me my next little small like this. That one enough fit in.
What are you doing?
That too.
Alright, we done. Yeah.
What is this?
We done. Come Shadi, come video this. Come take a picture of us.
Wait no.
So you reach us
We done,
Me I try
guys.
get footage.
Shadi, come forward, come here.
Today when I crumble down. You draw one smile.
Yeah.
Looking at the hat, you see one little green something.
In at this? When we put on already?
Get something nature like so.
Get piece of
Leaf.
leaf. Yeah.
And then get them, you see them little stone there? Can make 2 buttons go down. Yes sir. Yeah, my smoke a split. Don't risk it. Yeah, down the same time too. So wet it. Right.
Look my long out him tongue.
Don't risk it. Don't risk it. Wet it. After then when it just drop out. Oh, when they feel it.
Yeah!
We need to take picture with it.
How could you look like a penguin, sir?
Come put on the people them glasses.
Yeah, where's them?
Hey, dumb baby.
What the at then?
You see button them 6? Play with button if you want.
Shadi, come video that.
Wait, no.
How's the funny snowman?
Oh, this is cute. Like a penguin for true.
Come put that in front of the snowman.
Oh, the actor so big.
Fold it like.
Shadi, come look at the in front of the
Wait,
snowman.
no, Richard. You can't wait. Watch the actor blow away.
It's all like something funny. Yeah.
It's making it look ugly though. Yeah, make it stay.
Do you want to build a
Alright
snowman?
guys, so our team is finished. Margie, have your phone? Take them picture. Alright, what's the name of your snowman, guys?
Gangster, penguin.
Yes, gangster penguin.
Alright, so we have a close-up of Mr. Gangster Penguin. Festive. Alright, so that's team 1, guys. Remember, you're the judges of squad. Let's go over to team 2. Come.
Take a picture quick before the breeze blows.
Where our penguin name? Hear me now.
Yes. You see how one
Wait,
leave
hold
and
on.
marking them, man?
Our snowman. We need a Jamaican snowman. Snowman name.
Bob!
Bob the snowman. You don't know what Bob said. Yeah, man. Everything nice.
Irie.
Everything nice.
Everything Irie.
Everything nice. Guys, comment down below who's snowman. Well, I only one snowman there, right? So that is a penguin. So comment down below which snowman was the best.
Don't discriminate, cause that look like one. Me never say that though. Yeah.
I just thinking everything.
You got this?